Yeah, what day is this? I can't remember. Day 5. Within the drone. Here it is. We've got all the 3D printed parts fixed up. All the holes in. The EDF mount when I printed took like 18 hours. Got to remove all these supports though. Solid. Yeah. Jacob's setting up the time-lapse camera. Plane's still intact at the moment. Let's go. There.
This is one. I didn't refix this.
Oh well.
Didn't work yet.
We'll just really hope it works.
Yeah, there's a chance it doesn't, because that might have to be in line with that, maybe. No, I suppose it doesn't have to be in line with that.
Alright, there we go. Where's the EDF? EDF.
Do you want to man it?
Also, it's not in right. It's got a twist, I think. Where are those? Yeah. That thing ends there.
Where's
I moved the hole like.
Hanny's one for the moment.
I moved the hole like up too much. It's not great. I mean, I've got to trim the hole everywhere.
I'm really
Okay.
What happened?
I think something really good just happened.
Oh, really?
Right now I have approximately no space. I need a bit more space, but... Okay. Yeah, so I've installed the side bits for the EDF, so the little lug notch things on the EDF get stuck in these, hopefully. And on the other side, so hopefully the EDF is not going anywhere. Right now it's not going anywhere, it's solid. It is slightly longer though than I made it, but that can just go into the phone or something. So yeah, EDF. Should be EDF mount done other than this. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it goes, which is not very circular. We need more like this side, circle. Like a circle good, oval bad. Okay, so EDF's gonna go roughly here. If we can get it to be lined up straight. I mean, none of this plane is straight, so straight is relative. Is that straight?
The bow.
Those are roughly straight.
So just try it like there-ish.
There-ish. Okay. There-ish. There-ish works for me. No, don't cool down. You're not allowed to cool down. There we go.
We'll just slide them nicely. Oh, that's a problem.
It's cracking.
Yeah, 40% infill. Maybe not good enough. I mean, like...
That one's gone like all the way in. This one's hardly gone anywhere.
Right.
And now it's stuck there, is it? Mm.
I mean, that's pretty good. It could just stay like... No, no, no,
No! They're right. Ready? Go. On.
It's on.
Okay, and then back on.
Yes, no problems. No qualms.
Yeah! Triangle!
That was not worth the effort.
The triangle! It's a bit of a state at the moment, but we can sort that. Triangle!
Yes. At least we couldn't find out this was like backwards or something.
That doesn't look right. It doesn't look right, does it?
No, not at all, because what's the problem? Well, for one, What's going on with this spar and this?
It's not.
Look at
this bit, yeah? And look here. This, it goes, the spar goes out like that way, and this is that way. Yep.
I wonder if we could like push it in more.
Yeah, the spar over there is compensated for us. For our unaccurate geometries. Do you feel?
Are you sure this is 60 degrees?
Yes, I am. I meant twice.
Okay. Let's just put it down to printing errors and not.
There's many errors.
My Fusion 360 skills got on point.
There's many errors. Some of the factors that it's splitting everywhere, but that's a different error.
That can be fixed with super glue.
And also these are going both in the wrong direction now, but everywhere.
Oh well.
We'll just run the cables like this.
It shouldn't be too weird there.
Cables.
Should we just leave it like that? No, we have to push that through a bit more.
Yeah.
But that's blocking now. Can you cut that from that side?
Which side do you want this on? Here, like this. We'll cool it down a bit. I made the plastic all fun.
I don't exactly know how far across we want it, but I think closer it is like there should work.
Yeah. This here, that's there. That's fine.
Yeah, I know it's not quite straight, but I'm thinking we can maybe ignore it.
You're gonna put a right angle.
Huh?
There. Okay.
Is it working?
Yes. Oh. That's gonna be fun to code.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna tape that on. I think
probably glue this.
I think we put glue on this and we're just gonna shove glue in there in a second. We're gonna put tape round here. Then we're gonna put this back on, tape round this as well, and then just kind of tape everywhere. And then we're gonna add tape round here as well. Do we want to make this pointy?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Shave it down a bit.
Glue first, pointify, tape.
The table doesn't help being also bent. Let's move on to this one.
There we go.
Move on to the straight table.
No, that's in. That's in.
That would be better. So one more piece, I reckon.
Put the one more piece in then. Yeah?
Lift it up. Yeah, no, that. Well, if we put one more piece.
Okay, pass me one more piece then.
It's going to tilt that. Sure. Oh, you know what? That. No, that's perfectly flat there.
Okay.
Alright, let's go with that.
Both got more beeping on, more cutting.
Or just like erase.
Yeah. Should be not like this, more like this. Nice and flat. Then we're gonna just put tape everywhere. Just like tape that way, tape that way, tape.
Right, this tape is covered already in.
There. It's a bit more aerodynamic.
Bit more. I love how high.
We made this go up, which makes you go down.
Yeah, but no, but like you're pushing air up. Wait, hold on, you're pushing air up. So you're going down then, no?
No.
You're going down at the back if you're pushing air up.
I'm talking about it backwards. We had this.
No, we didn't have this backwards, we had the sticks backwards.
We had
There was
this.
like three things which could be backwards and it was the sticks.
The stick. We pushed stick up. This went up, which made us go down. That's why Hallie was moaning, because it was backwards. We need to push this. We push this down.
Physics of a plane.
Make that go up.
I'm thinking this goes up, air goes down. Right? This goes up, air goes up, then pushed up. So the plane goes down around here, around the pivot, so the nose goes up, no? That's what I'm thinking. How do elevators work? No, not elevators as in house elevators, on a plane.
I'm trying to get to load, but it doesn't load. Will I get there?
If you're a homeowner without a will, then you need to know this. If you die without a will, the UK government...
The aircraft. The control column backward and forward motion is used to control the elevator.
What are those? All those are trimmed.
Respective torque tubes.
Which way is it?
The pilot flying the aircraft moves the control column to change the pitch attitude. The other pilot should get an indication of the column movement.
Is that saying...
Therefore, the two columns are connected using a breakout mechanism. The breakout mechanism
I don't care about breakout mechanisms.
done against the spring actuator control electronics.
I just want to know if up means it goes up or if it means down.
Sends it to the
Yeah, which way does the
That's
plane...
all I care about.
Come on, NASA's like so close to telling me.
Mounted on the rear spar of the horizontal stabilizer.
Yeah.
EPQ is an electrically
We're trying to get this. We're gonna know.
hydraulic system of the aircraft.
Just want to know my physics of a plane.
The ACE signal causes the PCU actuators to move the elevator in the commanded
Yes.
direction.
I don't know which was that then?
Transducers on the PCU give the elevator position feedback. The computers, with the help of feedback signal, ensure the elevator has deflected exactly to the desired position. This allows them to control the elevator with precision.
Okay, down a bit. What's that do? I go up or down?
When the autopilot system is engaged
Oh my god, they're
in
gone.
the aircraft, the auto requested by the auto command the pilot.
That's not what I wanted. Oh, aircraft lift explained.
The world is the Airbus A380. Let's plane in the opposite to get the plane off.
Please! Yes, hang on.
The pilot pulls back the front out
Oh.
on the cover. The pilot pulls back on the control stick.
He's back.
Moves the rear flaps and deflects air upwards.
Deflects
That's why
air
I was
upwards,
confused.
so it deflects the air up. So when pull back, this goes up, plane goes
Pull
up.
back is up. Yeah, I was
There you
thinking
go.
on the wrong way. So it is pull back. Pull back is
My
up.
physics is
That's,
not fair with me yet.
that's why I found the wrong way.
There we go.
Because we had push up, this goes up, which makes that go down.
Yeah.
Which is, it doesn't make that go down, it makes that go up. It was push up, this goes up, which makes it go down.
Yeah. Okay, can we shape this down then?
So pull back, this goes up. So up is fly.
Up is up, down is down. Yeah, we could do two of those. Which is like a print press.
Yep. Nice. Look, this is what Hallie said to me. Hagon123 said. Parallel! Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Series will blow your thing up. No series ever.
Oh, okay.
Actually, he more said it like parallel. A series will blow your thing up. And then it's got it in caps, but it's not like no series ever. It's like not as exclamative.
Right. Whoa.
Or have a glue stick.
No.
Have a glue stick.
Oh, wow. Let's
No,
half of that then maybe.
no, we haven't. No, I have the solder at the moment.
Sure.
It's just getting them to stay together. I need some of Hallie's like hand things.
Yeah. Like the weird connecting flipper thing. You know what I mean?
There's two ESCs done. Have I got rat like enough fingers?
Wrapped around it, around the wire, actually kind of mask is present. I'm going to switch the conversation over to to WhatsApp. What?
Which one's got the crack in it? It's this one. Because it cracks down this way, not down where I put the tape.
Oh right, yeah.
The tape should be over about 2 centimeters.
Should we go check on that pizza then?
Sure. Right, what day is it?
5.
Day